Hey guys, today Virginia and I are going to have a discussion about her anxiety and its cause, as well as what is the best practice to follow when you get a seizure or a...
Quickly, because Virginia wasn't feeling well. I've noticed it outside when we were walking the dogs. Then at the elevator, I noticed again that she was not okay. So she started walking fast towards the apartment, and we got here and she lay down. Because how did you feel? Did you feel like...
Or maybe it could have been a panic attack, I don't know. Because auras, they feel similar to panic attacks.
Tell me why you think it was a panic attack. Was, so in the past tense, it's gone.
I'm still trying to calm myself down.
Okay.
So, we were coming back, coming around the corner, and I was trying to get Xena to do her business before we passed the garbage. And then the dog that we passed when we were coming outside was on its way back. And so I figured I should just so I figured I should just like speed up the process of her walking home and just bring her home because
Stop, you're gonna wait.
I was having a headache when I saw that dog, and I
If you can't speak, that's okay, honey. Just relax, okay? You don't have to.
I brought the dogs inside, and I tried to calm myself down, and there was somebody still in the elevator, and
So at the point where you saw the dog, is that when you started to have a headache?
I started to have a headache a little bit before that.
Okay.
And so seeing the dog just kind of made the headache worse.
Okay, because it upset you because of Xena's acting out.
Yeah, because I have to deal with trying to keep her back, and I didn't want to have to deal with her doing that. And I was worried. I was worried because we were actually I started feeling bad before that. We were waiting for Xena to go to do her business in that, like, down that street. And
Where she started looking towards the park.
yeah, I was starting to feel bad, and I got frustrated because I didn't want to have a seizure outside. I didn't want to fall in the poop or in the pee, so I tried to hurry her up.
Okay, that's why I didn't argue when you just kind of made a 180 and said, let's go, and just charged. I didn't, like, I know that this is what you feel that you have to do, and that's fine. Okay?
Yeah.
I think that at that point where did you see a dog? Because she was really looking at, there was like a really
The
short
trail.
guy. There was a guy there, and she was,
The guy was with the dog.
before you went in, she was like paying attention to that guy because she was looking back at him.
It wasn't because of the dog though. Like seeing the dog made it worse because I knew how she would react.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't want to deal with that because I wasn't feeling good.
So you were already not feeling good?
I was not feeling good.
Oh.
I think I started, like, the littlest amount of me not feeling good started pretty much as soon as we came out.
Mm-hmm.
And then it was a little fraction of me starting to not feel good.
Okay. Were you upset about anything at that point? No? Not even you worrying about Zena barking at the dog that came out? No? Okay. So it just happened. You just started feeling it. You just weren't feeling well. Okay. So, and then...
I think it might have been a panic attack.
Was the 2 dogs too much for you to handle? Are you sure? Because if that's too much and you feel uncomfortable with that, we will not do it again.
No, I feel fine with the 2 dogs.
Okay.
But I feel like it could have been a panic attack.
Yeah. So, what's the difference between panic attack and anxiety?
And panic attack is because of anxiety.
So I don't think it was a panic attack. I think it was anxiety, and that escalated as we were coming up. Or when I noticed as we were just about to leave the elevator when we were coming back, when your hand was shaking. Okay, I saw your hand cold. And I asked you outside if you were cold, and you lied, and you said no.
No, I mean the rest of my body was fine. It's just I didn't like having to take the gloves off because the bags don't open unless there's friction.
Oh, okay. Now, so if you have to go through this again, and you decide...
Open the bags before I go outside.
I've started doing that. I open them completely. Okay, so all I have to do is take it out of my pocket and use it. It's difficult sometimes even to open them when you're inside, okay?
Yeah.
So
it's frustrating.
I started doing that. Like you probably use them, so because I put a whole bunch in the little bag that goes on that green leash. Yeah, but yeah,
I didn't use those ones.
Oh, okay.
I brought them from the box.
Then Miguel used the easy ones because I opened lots, and they were ready to use. But so I was gonna say that this was not a panic attack, because at the panic attack, that's like an escalated.
Well, yeah. Think of how I was acting when I came in.
That was already not.
That was the height of the panic attack, and I was stressing out because I thought I was gonna have a seizure.
And
And see, now I feel fine.
Okay, so when you came back, so when in the elevator I noticed, and those were symptoms of irritation and anxiety. Okay?
I'm saying that it was building up.
I know, because I saw it. When you were going like that with your fingers. I notice small things on you. You think I don't. I do. But I'm going to ask you one thing to do. When you finally get to the bedroom, and you're in front of the bed, I don't want your ritual of putting 50 things away. If you think you're going to have a seizure, I want you to lay down in your jacket, or at least sit and let me help you take the jacket off. Don't dance around the bed for half an hour, because you keep on doing that, even though we had this conversation before.
The reason I took my jacket off, I took my sweater off and the pants off, is because I felt overheated and I felt
claustrophobic.
Yes.
And overheated. I understand.
And
honey,
if
it's
I
not
overheated
just
myself, that could have caused a seizure. That could have prevented me from calming myself down to prevent the seizure.
Yeah, it's not just you, because this building is a long building, and by the time we get from outside to the apartment, we both overheated.
Yeah, it's like
But I was getting an anxiety, big time anxiety, because I was so hot. You know, can you imagine that 2 thick winter hats and the hoodie on me, 2 winter coats, and 3 layers of clothing underneath? Okay?
And all the insulation underneath.
Yeah, no, that doesn't count. So, yeah, that's normal. It will happen to anyone. Not just because you have seizures, everybody gets overheated and they get really annoyed with all their little things. I don't know if other people do that, but I get really annoyed with stuff, especially if the dogs are acting out. She's been asking for water, and I didn't get up to do it yet. She has to wait until I come down, until you come down, and until we're okay to give it to them. Okay? And that's okay. Alright? And it's okay when you come to bed, you lay down first, and then you put your glasses away. You don't even have to put your paper towel away in the garbage.
I had to blow my nose because I had boogers coming out of my nose.
And you could have left it here, because I'm capable of putting it away. The world is not going to fall over just because your dirty paper is there, okay? It's okay. You just have to understand that it's okay. That it's more important at that moment for you to lay down and relax than keep on doing things, okay? Like, this is not for me, honey. I'm saying this to you.
I know.
For you to use it and apply it, because it has to be you who wants to consciously, mindfully, the person who practices mindfulness wants to do that, okay? Wants to make that change so it's good for you, right? Because you're safer, you're going to be calmer when you're laying down. Obviously, you cooled off already. It's great. Okay, you feel better?
And that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. If this is your first visit today, I invite you to subscribe and press the bell button to receive notifications when the new videos come out. If you have any questions, post them below the video. And as always, lots of love to all of you, and see you next time.